Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy PPV, also known as pay-per-view, on Hulu. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to buy PPVs on Hulu, the first thing we will need to buy is the ESPN Plus add-on. So if you go down here to where it says select your plan, we can actually choose this bundle/save section, and as you can see we can now buy it with ESPN Plus. And the lowest price that they have is $14.99 a month. From there, once we've paid for that, we then have to pay for the pay-per-view event. And here you can review the event details such as price, and I think it's usually about $80. After that, you can submit your order, and then after they've taken the payment, they will add the event to your Hulu account. From there, you can log in Hulu on whatever device you want, and you'll be able to see the UFC PPV fight that you just paid for, and you'll be able to watch it on any device. So that's how you can buy PPV on Hulu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.